Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can activate the fingerprint animation on the lock screen. So I'm talking about this thing. Wait, it face unlock. So as you can see, it was unlocked but without an animation. And if you want to activate the animation, you have to go for the settings, then tap on the Biometrics and Security, enter for the fingerprints, input your currently lock method, and then simply tap right here to show animation when unlocking. And just take a look right now how it's going to look. As you can see, there we got the animation. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.